James Eugene Carrey, born January 17, 1962, is a Canadian and American actor and comedian. Known primarily for his energetic slapstick performances, he has received 2 Golden Globe Awards, in addition to nominations for BAFTA Awards and Screen Actors Guild Awards. After spending the 1980s honing his comedy act and playing supporting roles in films, Carrey gained recognition when he was cast in the Fox sketch comedy series In Living Color, 1990 to 1994. He broke out as a film star after starring in a string of box office hits, such as Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, The Mask, Dumb and Dumber, all in 1994, Ace Ventura, When Nature Calls, and Batman Forever, both 1995. The success of these 5 films led to Carrey being the first comic actor to receive an upfront $20 million salary for performing in films. Beginning with The Cable Guy, Carrey continued to have success as a leading actor in comedies such as Liar Liar, 1997, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, 2000, Bruce Almighty, 2003, Lemony Snicket's A Series of Unfortunate Events, 2004, and Yes Man, 2008. Since the 2010s, Carrey has appeared in fewer films, with notable works including Dumb and Dumber to 2014 and his role as Dr. Eggman in the Sonic the Hedgehog film series 2020 present. Carrey was born in Newmarket, Ontario, Canada, to Kathleen, a homemaker, and Percy Carrey, a musician and accountant. He was raised Catholic and has 3 older siblings, John, Patricia, and Rita. His mother was of Irish and Scottish descent, and his father was of French-Canadian ancestry. The family's original surname was Cara. At age 8, he began making faces before a mirror and discovered a talent for doing impressions. At age 10, Carrey wrote a letter to Carol Burnett of The Carol Burnett Show, pointing out that he was already a master of impressions and should be considered for a role on the show. He was overjoyed when he received a form letter reply. A fan of Monty Python, whose television show Monty Python's Flying Circus aired in the 1970s. In 2014, Carrey appeared on Monty Python's Best Bits and recalled the effect on him of Ernest Scribbler, played by Michael Palin, laughing himself to death in the funniest joke in the world sketch. Carrey spent his early years in the borough of Scarborough, Ontario, part of metropolitan Toronto, where he attended Blessed Trinity Catholic Elementary School in North York. His family later moved to Burlington, Ontario, where they would spend 8 years. Jim attended Aldershot High School while there. Sometime later, his family became homeless and lived together in a Volkswagen van while teenage Jim and his brother spent months living in a tent in Charles Daly Park on the Lake Ontario shore in Lincoln, Ontario. The family struggled financially, however, their situation started improving once his father found employment in the accounting department at the Titan Wheels tire factory in Scarborough. Furthermore, in return for living in the house across the street from the factory, the family, primarily teenage sons Jim and John, would work as janitors and security guards at the tire factory, doing 8-hour shifts from 6 p.m. into the next morning. Moving back to Scarborough, teenage Jim started attending Agincourt Collegiate Institute before dropping out of school on his 16th birthday. He began to perform comedy in downtown Toronto while continuing to work at the factory. In a 2007 Hamilton Spectator interview, Carrey said, "If my career in show business hadn't panned out, I would probably be working today in Hamilton, Ontario, at the DeFasco Steel Mill as a young man. He could see the steel mills across the Burlington Bay and often thought that was where the great jobs were." Carrey suffers from depression and took Prozac to combat the symptoms for years. He later said that he no longer takes medications of any kind and abstains from coffee, alcohol, and drugs. He received U.S. citizenship in October 2004 and remains a dual citizen of the United States and his native Canada. Carrey owns various properties in Los Angeles and has lived in Brentwood since 1994. In November 2022, the Russian Ministry of Foreign Affairs banned 100 Canadians, including Carrey, from entering Russia as a reciprocity for the international sanctions which had been introduced due to the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Carrey dated singer Linda Ronstadt for 8 months in 1983. On March 28, 1987, Carrey married former actress and Comedy Store waitress Melissa Womer. Their daughter, Jane Erin Carrey, was born on September 6, 1987. Carrey and Womer divorced in 1995. On September 23, 1996, Carrey married his Dumb and Dumber co-star Lauren Holly. This second marriage lasted less than a year. From 1999 to 2000, Carrey was engaged to his Me, Myself, and Irene co-star Renee Zellweger. In 2002, he was in a relationship with January Jones. In 2005, Carrey met model and actress Jenny McCarthy, and he made public in June 2006 that they were in a romantic relationship. They ended it in April 2010, with McCarthy noting in October 2010 that they had remained good friends. In early 2011, Carrey was seen holding hands with America's Next Top Model contestant Anshel Joseph, leading to speculation that the two were dating. In 2012, Carrey met Catriona White, a makeup artist from County Tipperary, Ireland. They dated between 2012 and 2015. On September 28, 2015, White was found dead from a prescription drug overdose. The death was ruled a suicide by the Los Angeles County Medical Examiner. Carrey was a pallbearer at her funeral in Capewite, Ireland. In January 2019, when Carrey attended the Golden Globes 2019 party, he was accompanied by his then-girlfriend Ginger Gonzaga. The couple split after less than a year of dating. Political and spiritual views. Carrey is an outspoken advocate of the law of attraction. In an interview with Oprah Winfrey on February 17, 1997, he revealed that as a struggling actor, he would use visualization techniques to get work. He also stated that he visualized a $10 million check given to him for acting services rendered, placed the check in his pocket, and 7 years later received a $10 million check for his role in Dumb and Dumber. Carrey appeared alongside Eckhart Tolle at an event in 2009. He shared that through studying Tolle's teachings, he had a spiritual experience. I was no longer a fragment of the universe. I was the universe. He also paid tribute to Tolle by impersonating him. Carrey has also advocated socialism and has urged the Democratic Party to embrace the movement, saying, "We have to say yes to socialism, to the word and everything. We have to stop apologizing." In a 2004 interview with 60 Minutes, Carrey reportedly said, "I'm a Buddhist, I'm a Muslim, I'm a Christian." In June 2017, Carrey delivered a speech at a Homeboy Industries event, where he said, "I want to speak to the fact that I believe that this room is filled with God, and that you are heroes to me and I admire you." Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.